I'm going to show you how we wrapped up this beautiful project by cutting the curves in these pavers and installing the border. Enjoy the video. Good morning, everyone. We've been working off camera. We got our posts in. Welcome back to those of you who have been keeping up with this playlist here and this job. If you're a new viewer, welcome to my channel. We're just taking you through us wrapping up this project here. We got the mailbox posts and these two granite lamp posts in off camera. We have a good amount of fast setting concrete on the bottom of all these posts, so they're going to be nice and strong. We got our 2x3s just kind of holding them steady as it sets. Each one of these posts have 5 50-pound bags of fast setting concrete on the bottom of them, so that's 250 pounds, and once that's backfilled with soil, they're not going anywhere. And what I'm showing now is that these posts are actually pre-drilled and pre-wired, and all the customer or the electrician has to do is wire from their buried conduit down into this electrical outlet right here that I'm going to show you. And it makes it a lot easier than having to wire the entire post yourself. You're just going to have to connect it right into that outlet, and you'll have power to the lamp post and those plugs for outdoor lighting or any kind of outdoor power you may need. But you can see they're nice and plumb and in line with each other, so they look good. And here we are with the pavers. I'm going to show you right here that we had to put a couple bags of cold patch asphalt just to hold these pavers back for now, because the customer is having their driveway redone, at which point the asphalt guys will install the new pavement right up to the top of my pavers. But it's all coming along nicely. In this video, like I said, I'm just going to be cutting the border and installing the border on this top walkway, and then we're going to be done with this project, at which point I'm going to take you through a nice walkthrough of the finished result. If you're curious about the products that I used on this job, check out the description below as I list the manufacturer and the names of the styles of the pavers and the blocks. Always pre-wet your surfaces when you're going to cut them. Kind of scared me. You do two things at once. Hold the camera and squirt with the hose. I know you're capable of that, dude.
I'll do it.
You've done it so many times.
I'll do it.
It's impressive. Ben's getting ready to polymeric sand. You ready, bud? There's his bags. He's gonna start on this landing here and then sweep down onto these 2 lower landings on each side. This is what we're using, and we try to use it pretty much all the time because it's my favorite, but it's made by Alliance. It's called Gator Max Sand G2. The color is Black Diamond. And another big reason why I use this color is because for some reason the granulars in the sand seem much smaller. Don't they, Benny?
Yeah. This seems more like a powder than sand.
Yep. So they get into the tight spots. It gets into the tight spots a little bit easier than the other colors we found out. I don't know if it's because of the color or if it's the Gator Max. Maybe it's a little different, but it works fantastic. So it says it sets up in about an hour, but I tell the customers give it like 24 hours to truly set correctly. And it hardens up like mortar, and it seals everything together, and it also interlocks the pavers and keeps everything nice and tight. So I wanted to show you the polymeric sand that we do use, but I'm not going to show you how we install it. I have a couple videos on my channel showing you how we do it. I'll leave a link in the description below for one of those videos if you want to learn how to. Hello everyone. This is the job site visit that I was telling you about. It is March 3rd, 2023. We did this project last September of 2022. So let me show you what it's looking like right now. A little bit of snow. Supposed to be getting another 6 to 8 inches tonight, so I wanted to come film it before we got covered. But these are the granite posts we put in. I really like the light fixtures that they chose. Pretty classy. Nice granite post covers. Oh, looks like they got some uplighting too. That must look nice. You can see how straight they are with each other. Here's the mailbox post. Looks gorgeous. So that looks really mint. I can just imagine what it looks like at night. This was such an excellent project last year. It was really fun. Like I had mentioned in a couple of the previous videos, it's a little bit of everything here. From pavers, natural granite steps and risers, the concrete block wall, plus the stone veneer stoop up at the front. And this is the main reason why I wanted to come back. They had the new driveway installed, and they put the asphalt right up to the height of our pavers, which finished it off really nicely. This is that Black Diamond polymeric sand. Nice and hard. Makes the joints pop really good. So that's it for this one, guys. Very fun project, like I said. A lot went into it. Made some good friends with these customers. If you haven't seen the videos previously, there's a lot in this playlist, so check out the description below for that link to the playlist, and you can see how we did this project from beginning to end. But as always, guys, until the next video, God bless. Peace.